So
Dishwasher
we are going to install the dishwasher. There. We need to put it there. So my husband needs to make a hole here to get through all these pipes that connects to the drain.
See, so underneath the sink, if you can see it, I'll point it there. It's called an electroscaler. So it will stop your kettle and washing machine and boiler scaling up. So you don't need to do anything. Brilliant idea. So anyway, this is how we're going to make holes into the cabinet to fit the pipe through. Going to put a 22mm flat bit in, hole fitting bit, into the drill, and then make a couple of holes to get the pipe through. We'll put a big battery in.
Yeah, so this is the battery.
That's the battery, yeah, as you can see it's fully charged.
Yeah.
There's plenty of power and off we go.
So this is how we're gonna install the dishwasher.
Make a hole there.
Oh, so this.
Might be able to just put it over the top. One there. Might be able to there.
Yeah. So you make a hole only one.
One, yeah, for this one down. But what I'll try and do is make it in the back to make it easier in here. Make it inside here, yeah. Because it's got to come in this way. Just make sure. No, this is the fill pipe.
Fill pipe.
Yeah, fill pipe for the water. So this pipe is for the cold water to go into the dishwasher.
Yeah, so
And then this one here is for the excess water, for the wastewater to drain out.
Okay, so you need to make the hole that connect to the...
So I need to make this hole for this to go in here.
And you want to connect that to where? To...
So then it connects onto this one here. You got one for the dishwasher,
yeah,
and one over there for the washing
for
machine.
the washing machine. Okay.
Yeah, so we do both. Okay.
And that's going to the pipe.
That's the cold water pipe fill.
Cold
Yeah.
water pipe.
And then these ones here, got one there and there, look, and that is for the washing machine.
Washing machine.
So you got one there and one there, look. Washing machine, dishwasher.
Okay. Wow. That's amazing.
This clip here is to go on the waste pipe, and then I can do it up and it'll keep the waste pipe from blowing off, so you don't need it up in your water leaks.
Ah, to avoid the water leaks.
Yep.
So
Sockets there.
they have the socket as hood, cooker hood, washing machine, freezer, and dishwasher.
Yeah.
So they.
What I should do is plug this one into that wall socket and see whether that's the dishwasher or the washing machine. It would make sense, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
They're safety plugs, darling. Safety socket. So if you like to turn the dishwasher on.
Yeah.
No,
So that's the washing machine.
try the washing machine.
Try the washing machine. Yeah.
That's the washing machine one there. So the washing machine has to go there. The dishwasher has to go there. Wastewater pipe.
We are installing the dishwasher this time.
As you can see, no hole. So I need
So
to
what
put...
is the purpose of this plastic cup?
Right, so there's two different sizes, depending on your waste pipe, and it's depending which one you cut off.
Yeah.
So now I just have to measure it, which I think, remember rightly, is the first one. Yeah. So I need just to take the end off there.
Oh, this is very clever.
What is? Right.
study is brilliant, right?
What's that?
That's it.
There you go.
There we go.
It's a success.
And now we have a hole.
We have a hole now here, look.
Yeah. It's not the straightest, but okay.
Yeah, so this is...
Should I put the hole in the bin? Should I put the piece of
And then this
Yeah.
will slide on there. I clamp it on, and that stops next to the wastewater for that one.
Yeah.
Daddy, can I put that
Yeah, come.
away?
Good job.
Yeah, and then we put this back in.
Ready?
Ready?
Can you hold a minute?
You want me to turn it off, darling? It's my thumb turn it on. Do the code, if you can ask for a code, darling. And there we go. So now we are ready to put the dishwasher in. Get the waste pipe over.
So this, which one is the waste?
This is the waste pipe. Oh.
Yeah.
Well, this one's got tape on it. Is the original rubber bit is very small and it will leak a little bit, so it's got a bit of tape around it so your hose clip can clamp it.
Very clever.
Yeah. So
So there's a hole there.
and then one for the water down here. Set 5 water. Right.
So you go from there. Is it the hot water?
Yeah.
The waste pipe. What the pipe is in?
That's nice.
Waste pipe
Is up?
is in. Yay! Now it's here. The other hole. Oh, clever.
There we go. So now it can be slid in. But first, I can get the water pipe on. We will test. Come on, Dilly. This pipe hates being twisted.
It has to be too tight.
Has to be tight, yeah, because it's pressurised water. we do. We just test it.
Test it, yeah. There's any leak?
No leak, so we leave as it is.
Yeah.
That one there, in case you're wondering, this big one is not a tap. That turns the whole water supply off to the house. Yeah, as it says, it's the mains water stop box. So you turn that, all the water shuts off around the house.
Okay.
And then we've got one for the outside taplet. So it can all be turned off separately. Now, what we need to do, okay, I need you to push on there and slide in so I can put the pipe on.
Okay.
That's it. Hold on.
So you connect.
Yeah. So that's on, and we're all connected.
So how you test it? Ah, you can't.
What? No, you don't use a dishwasher or a washing machine, you can't test it.
Ah, yeah.
So now, it's all connected.
So,
What we do is put the cable in
yeah,
and slide it back.
slide it. Much easier than the washing machine.
Nope.
Yay! A little bit more. Yay!
And now it looks like it's all integrated into the kitchen. Yay!
Yay! High five, dude.
Yay! And now we turn the electric sockets on.